There's some brief details with y'all. Some little thing I'm going through. Just real briefly, short and sweet. She said she's never been there. And I said, I'll take you there. Once she believed and she heard, she smiled and she teared. Feeling like the unexplained, you know, just stuck in the zone. A lot of kisses and touches, a lot of grasses as she moans. She said she wanted to be happy, and I said I'm gladly want to be there. She said she feared, she's scared. I told her that I will hold her every single night that she's alone. That makes up for the times she's ever been alone. Now, she want to be there, and I also want to be there also. I want to be right by her side. Never will she be familiar by her lonesome. I told her, once that time or that night that she remembers in the past, those days shall last, because I am here. She wants to know if this is for real. I told her this right here is a foundation, so let's build. I told her this ain't a relationship, it's just a real. She makes my days, so at nighttime, I give her the nice chills. So, she just wants to know, so I'm gonna let her know. I told her just be patient and just let things grow. Now, she still keep asking. I don't have any more answers. Now it's to the point where I'm just dealing with this pressure. Now, I don't know what she's doing. She's probably at home, hair wrapped up, probably in some sweats there. No matter what she has on, it's all coming off when I get there. You know, I told her to be cool, but she could get feisty. But in other words, she knows how to excite me. So I have to put it on her real strong, long, and nicely. So she keep asking me. I really don't know what to say. But she does make my days. So here I am, just questioning myself now. But she didn't know. But all I know is that I do a great job making her river flow.